Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We have a bit of a green day today, and I think it's because oil is slipping. Where is it? It's not here. Well, oil is coming down, and it's unusual. It's weird that it's coming down. We're not going to see it reflected at the gas pump just yet, but it is slipping. So it's about 27% down from the all-time high a couple days ago, I think. So that's really good news. We have tech stocks bouncing back. We have everything coming up. And I wonder if now is when we see a little bit of a relief rally here. We've been coming down. We're doing sideways stuff. Are we going to go up a little bit? Maybe into the 50s and then slide back down? I wonder. I definitely wonder. I'm going to probably put in a position at around like if we can get to 37 to 36, I'm definitely going to put in a position and just hold on there for a little bit. Remember, this is financial entertainment and not advice. But I'm going to see what the options are there. Um, yes. So like and tomorrow we have an interest rate hike of about 25 basis points, 0.25% for us layman's. The first hike since 2018. What's this going to do? I don't know, but it's going to be interesting for sure. The volatility is almost too much to bear. There's just so much stuff, right? There's so much stuff happening. It's just like, whoa. Um, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot of stuff happening. If I was going to give analysis though, I would say that we are probably headed towards an area or a region or a place where things are not going to be so great for crypto. Um, because it's all so tied together, right? It's 50 closed. 20, oh, I see. This is giving me the wrong thing. It's all this stuff is so it's so interconnected that I want the weekly. Oh, this is giving me too much info. I don't want this much info. Take away the uh, still too much. So here, yeah, this is actually accurate. This is the 100 week. This is the 200 week, and the 50 week, I believe, is this. I believe this to be the 50 week, and this must be a 200 day, 100 day, and the 50 day. Oh, I think. Wait, hold on. That might be wrong. Oh yeah, that this is the 50 day, 100 day, and 200 day, and this is the 50 week, 100 week, and then the 200 week. So we got some pretty interesting data here, right? We're still below the 50 week. So I think what we may do is spike from here up to here, right? Go up to here, touch it, and then come back down. And I'm ignoring the bull market support band, but I think we can ignore it for the time being, just as something that we go up and touch, and we really try to break through, but we don't have the momentum and come back down. Sorry, I was not sleeping so well. I have this mattress that's a little different from what I usually have, so it's messing me up a little bit. But yeah, I don't have too much to say. I think we may have like a little bit of a relief here, but I do believe in the long term we're coming down. I mean, at least in the short to medium term we're coming down to really touch these lows that we need to hit before we can make it out and start kind of enjoying ourselves. I just don't think we're there yet to the place where we really want to be. If we don't test those lows, we will not be able to actually fully recover because we need to sell out. We need to shake out these people that have purchased, right? We need that euphoria almost kind of. It's very interesting. Like when if the price of Bitcoin does go down to 20K, let's say, it's gonna be euphoric. People are gonna start buying like crazy. I'm gonna be buying like crazy, and when that happens, it's going to garner a lot of media attention, and you're going to see some giant spike going up, and that's going to be the momentum that really gets everything going. It's going to be like you come down whenever you come down, right? It's going to be a giant spike, like the opposite of this, right? Giant spike that goes up and it goes up and it goes up, and then that's the momentum we need to really get to where we want to go. Um, right? And so I think this is where we're headed to, and I think we're on our way there. But it's going to take some time. We're probably going to go sideways a little bit longer before we actually, I think, make it out, or at least dip. Um, but we probably need to go test those. Though there's an argument that I've made previously, but these lows might be as low as this, accounting for inflation, and these lows might be as high as this. See, this 29K might actually be 20K roughly, right? Accounting for inflation, right? There has been a lot of printing between 2017 and 2021. So if accounted for that, is $20,000 now $29,000? I don't know, maybe, right? It's an interesting. And then is 29,000 whatever it is equal to about 33,000 a couple and 1 year later? Maybe, I don't know. We've been printing like crazy, right? So that's an interesting debate. So have we been testing this over and over again? I don't know. And if we actually do hit 20,000, is that actually more like 15,000 or something? I don't know. Interesting debate. But this is where I stand right now. I don't know if there's much else to discuss at this time. Um, right. Anyways, this is it. This is not. There's a lot of stuff happening. We will talk about it tomorrow. I do think the entire market's going to melt down shortly. I don't know when, but I think it's going to happen shortly. I think that because of everything that's happening, like it's just though fuel prices decreasing is a good thing. That's definitely a great thing, right? We're seeing a chill out in the markets because if fuel prices continue to spike up like they have, then I'd be very concerned. It's not to say that I'm not concerned, but like, we're kind of reaching some level of homeostasis, maybe. But yeah, we'll have to see. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow.